PPI is headquartered in Pella, Iowa. We now have today a global footprint of over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space. The company is truly dedicated to the production of pulleys and idlers. So we can produce a pulley that's just a small roller that's going into some kind of unit sortation system, all the way up to just the other day we had a pulley that was going to a large mining operation that the pulley alone weighed 85,000 pounds.
We can actually custom engineer a product that solves an application problem. Then it goes right into our manufacturing facility where it's built to spec.
So we start out with steel plate. We high definition plasma and oxy fuel cut plate to the appropriate dimensions that we need. They are then rolled on a number of different sized rolls that we have, whether it be rolling into a crown face rim or a flat face rim. After the rims are rolled, we trim the ends to prepare the seam weld joint. We have specific equipment, so that particular custom made equipment allows us to build quality into the drum product time and time again. So when we do seam welding on our drum pulleys, we start out with a base pass where we'll have an operator put a root weld in that seam by hand. That gives us a base or a root weld that we can penetrate into with our submerged arc welding process. Our sub-arc process allows us to put a large amount of weld deposition in a short amount of time. From that point, then we'll go and we'll grind that weld down smooth with the face, the surface of that rim itself. We will then go to the end welding station where we'll also use a submerged arc welding process, and we'll build that fillet weld size to the correct size based on the thickness of materials that we're welding. After we've fabricated the drum, we'll go to our vulcanized rubber department and we'll prep those pulleys and extrude rubber onto them. We have probably upwards of 20 plus different compounds that we'll apply in Pella. We'll put one or multiple passes of extruded rubber on to build up to the thickness that we need. From that point, we'll nylon tape, we'll pressure tape wrap those pulleys, and we'll throw them in our autoclave and cure that rubber to that surface of that pulley. A lot of the vulcanized lag pulleys require some sort of grooving after that, whether it be diamond or chevron or herringbone grooving. We will actually groove those pulleys by hand, so we'll have operators lay out those lines for that grooving and then come back and use hot grooving knives to groove those pulleys. So once the pulley's been lagged, then we will go to our final assembly where we would do shaft and bearing installation as well. Our shafts are custom made to whatever print that we are provided from our engineering department. That goes directly to the machine shop. We will machine the shaft accordingly to that design. Those shafts and that documentation goes to our assembly department. There could be details on there such as torque requirements for bolts on bushings or locking assemblies. Also, any specific type of grease requirements the customer may have would be on that documentation as well. So from an assembly standpoint, it's very customized to the customer's requirements.
You know, Motion Industries and PPI have a lot in common. Both companies understand that at the end of the day, our customer's success is our success. We know if we have a problem or we need a part quickly that we can count on Motion to get it to us.